It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you once again. Yeah, and today we're going to make a 2024 burger. You say, what's a 2024 burger? That Boy Can Cook. Come on in this kitchen and let me show you what a 2024 burger look like. Yeah. Got 2 pretzel buns, some Colby jack cheese. We got a 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 large onion, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We got our special burger mix, salt, pepper, onion, garlic. And we got a 1/2 pack of thick cut bacon. And can't forget about that ground chuck. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, family, so apparently, my fault, I didn't have the camera on when I cut my onions and I cut the bacon. But you want your bacon to look like this and you want your onions to look like that. So now, let's jump to the stove, fry this bacon up. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get our bacon in here. Get this good old bacon cooked up. And we're gonna cook it 85 to 90%. We're not gonna cook it all the way through. Okay, we have our bacon cooking. We just got it on medium heat and we're letting it get brown. So let's go ahead and season our burgers and form them out. So like I say here, we just have some salt and pepper, kosher salt, fresh ground pepper, grinded pepper, and onion powder. A little garlic powder. So this is going to be our seasoning for our meat. There we go. That's enough right there. I'm saying we want to use maybe about a teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon. There we go. And I got my little trusty burger press I always love to use. Very reasonable. Of course, came from Amazon. But very reasonable. So let's get our burger in there. And there we go. We'll form a patty. Push it out. There it is. That's our patty. And I'm gonna do 2 small ones as well. So let's get the small ones done too. Check my bacon. And like I say, we're gonna do a small double, maybe slider size. So let's just get that in there. Our paper on top. And there it is. That excess off. Alrighty. There it is. Our patties are seasoned. And pretty much ready to go. Let's get one more out of that. There's our burgers. Let's get back to our bacon. Don't want to burn that. Alrighty, our bacon is where we need it to be, as you can see. So we're gonna drain the grease. We're gonna leave about a tablespoon of grease in here. And we're gonna remove the bacon. We're gonna come back. We're gonna drop these onions in there. All right, we done drained out the excess bacon grease. So let's go ahead and add our onions. We're just gonna saute these until they become translucent and tender. It's all right if it's still little pieces of bacon bits. We're gonna deglaze it with the water that you saw earlier. So this is okay. Just break up the onion. So like I say, we're just going to saute these onions till they're translucent and tender. 3 to 4 minutes, I would say. Our onions is where we need them to be. So let's go ahead and deglaze it with a little agua. There we go. Simmer down now, simmer down. There we go. Now let's go ahead, throw that brown sugar in there. We're gonna get this brown sugar mixed in with it. There we go. We're just gonna let it cook about 4 to 5 minutes. Start to let the syrup, is what you would say, thicken up. Let the sugar go dissipate, or you know the word I'm looking for. Dissolve. That's what I mean. Let all the sugar dissolve. As you can see, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Starting to thicken up. So let's go ahead, add that balsamic vinegar, baby. Get that mixed in as well. And the hard part is done. That is it. All we gotta do is just let this reduce, cook down, simmer, after we add that bacon, baby. Throw that bacon in there, mix it on up. And there we have it. It's that delicious bacon jam. Like I say, all we gotta let it do is reduce and thicken up. And we got it going on. Yeah. There it is, y'all. As you can see, it is going. So now we just gonna reduce the heat. Just let it simmer for maybe another, I'll say 8 to 10 minutes. And we'll be right back. All right, while we have our bacon jam over there jamming, let's go ahead and get ready to start our patties. We're gonna add some of that saved bacon grease to our pan. Get some of that bacon flavor in that meat. We're just gonna go around and coat the bottom of your pan. Don't laugh at me, I need to season my cast iron. Coming up soon. All right, I believe our pan is hot. Let's go ahead and, oh yeah, that baby hot. There we go. Get our patties in here. Just give them a little space. We got them burgers burgering. Listen to that. Now let's give them a flip. Ooh, that's what you want. Look at that crust right there. That's what you want right there. Right there. That's what you're looking for. Oh, we got another one. There we go. We have one little smash too. We 3 for 3? Oh, we 3 for 3. There it is. There it is. There we go. Bam. Little squares like that. Bam. There it is. Let's get this other one. There it is. Let's just let them cook on down. The cheese melted. There we go. Now we can get this boy with some cheese on it. All right. Yeah, that 2024 burger gonna be the bomb. Look at that bacon jam right there. Ooh, look at that. Delicious. And then look at that. Ooh-wee. There it is. Yeah. All right, let's get our pretzel bun. Yeah. Cut and toasted. So let's just get them both cut. There it is. We got some butter on our griddle. So let's go ahead. Put a little bit on top. You gotta have some butter on top of it. You gotta have your greasy burger. So let's just do that one. And we just gonna toast them off. Check our bread. Let's see. That can go a little bit longer. It's almost there. Yeah, we ready. All right, let's go ahead and add this last little bun in. Done. So now for the fun part, y'all. Let's put our burger together and let's eat. Yeah. All right, real quick, let's make us a quick little sauce. Let's take us some Miracle Whip, about a tablespoon, a little bit more. There we go. And let's take some Dijon mustard. So we're gonna go with a little bit of, almost more than a half a tablespoon, and less than a full tablespoon. So let's just get this mixed up. There we go. Just taste. Yeah, that's it. All right, let's build these burgers. It's time to eat, man. Time to eat. There we go. Let's put some of this delicious sauce down. So let's get us first. Let's throw some of this bacon jam down. Let's throw some of that down. There it is. It's that 2024 burger, y'all. You wanted to know what it was, what it is. This is what it was. This is what it is. Oh, so delicious. Oh, waste not, want not. There we go. Now let's get our patty. Bam. Let's get our double. Let's do that. Bam. And again, with the jam, baby. Again with the jam. There we go. Ooh, look at that. There we go. Man, watch out. There it is. That's that 2024 burger, y'all. Bacon jam burger. Whew, that boy can cook. All right, family. That's it. That's all. We got that 2024 burger under our belt. Delicious bacon jam burger. Just that simple, but yet oh so delicious. Let's take a bite. Let's take a bite. Look at that. Can you see from there? Can you see? Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. That is it. That is it. One more time. That is it. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah.
Not before I have another bite though. Mmm. Mmm.